You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two different verbs that are spelled exactly the same way, the exact same spelling, but a very different pronunciation and very different meaning. If you want to learn more confusing English, more lessons, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. The top verb is pronounced to tear, which means to rip. When you rip something apart, to tear apart a piece of paper, for example, tear. Tear. So British English would say it as tear. The Americans tear. Okay, so that's your top word, to rip. Now, when you cry, you have drops of water coming out of your eyes, and these are pronounced, these are called tear, to cry. Tear or tears as the plural. So, two different verbs with very different meanings. Tear, to rip. Tear, to cry. Tear, tear. How to pronounce in English? Tear, tear. Could you hear the difference? Do you understand what this? Any useful? Can you pronounce those correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.